This is a 2025 Christmas haul. Grateful. Okay, I got this like warm sugar hair perfume. And I got this like glow recipe. Guess I'm happy. I got this like glass serum. And then I got this heat protectant spray. And I got this, whatever this is. And I got this like lip. I don't know. And I got this Love Shack Fancy off-brand wallet. And then I got this Cerave. And I got Bubble. And then I got 2 Apple Watches. I got 1 Apple Watch and then the other one, I don't know. It's stupid. And I got this hair room spray. I don't know if it's kind of called my room smelly or something. Like, got this lotion. And I got like the olive oil, I guess. And this pictures. And then I got this nano squishy. And I got this rock pond. This looks cool. Got this, and then I got